training process involved 11 years of newsletters that were sent out weekly, all workshops and speaking engagements, and just hours and hours and hours of content, pages and pages. I mean, that Google Drive folder that we used in the early days was just so packed with stuff. And really the intent was, I saw pretty early on that we would have a large power grab when it comes to AI, and there would be the big players, and I saw my work become part of those data sets. And, you know, I would have these conversations with my AI too. Sure. And I do the same thing. And I'm like, okay, what would I tell myself? I'm feeling exhausted. I'm feeling burned out, overworked, whatever, all this stuff that I knew was going to be in my data corpus. And time and time again, I would hit on a quote. And I remember it started getting really good for me a few months ago. And I was like, that was really good. I said that